Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. As you have read from the title, we're about to mix 6 shades from OMG's Northern Lights collection. So we have here the 6 shades, which are Yellow Sky, Aurora Borealis, Violet Sky, Green Sky, Blue Sky, and Pink Sky. I'll be dropping each shade inside this empty OMG colorless bottle. Are you guys ready? I bet you guys are, so let's get it. I'm planning on wiping 10 drops onto the bottle of each shade. I'm starting with Blue Sky. Now let's speed it up a bit. And so far, here's how it looks. Next we have is Pink Sky. And now we have 2 shades in the bottle. I'm getting really excited on what shade it will become. But before adding the 3rd shade, I decided to remove the tag behind the bottle. Did you guys know that cuticle oil gets the work done in removing sticky tags better than baby oil? Well, that's just what I've noticed. After all of that, we're finally done removing the tag. Let's change the camera angle a bit, and I'm applying the 3rd shade, which is Aurora Borealis. So far, here's how it looks. Now for Violet Sky's turn. Then Green Sky. Looking so sparkly and pretty. And lastly, it's time for Yellow Sky. Now I'm adding 1 mixing bowl to make the mixing process faster. And because there's still much space inside the bottle, I'm adding a few more drops of each shade. And let's go speed up the process. And finally, the bottle is full. We can see the different levels of each shade. And it really looks so pretty. I'm getting so excited. I hope you guys are too. Now let's shake the bottle as if like there's no tomorrow. Well, I'm just kidding. Well, let's just shake it. After all the shaking, let's take a closer look at it. Oh my gosh, it looks holographic. Or is it just me? Well, let's confirm it with the flash of my cell phone. And it really is hollow. Wait, it really is hollow. Okay, so calm down. I'm preparing 5 different bases on a swatch stick to use them as toppers. I'm preparing black, white, blue, pink, and yellow. After letting the swatch sticks to dry, I'm applying the hollow topper we've created. Oh my goodness, I see hollow, people! The black base turned into a hollow shimmery silver metallic shade. Now let's apply it on white. Looks so pretty and dainty, and it's still hollow. Next, let's apply it on a pink base. Still looks pretty on pink and very sparkly and shimmery. When applied on a blue base, it kinda turned out to look like an icy blue shade, but still, it's holographic. Lastly, on yellow. And the yellow shades sparkle in hollow. And here are the 5 shades. What makes it unique is how fine and micro the holographic sparkle looks. In normal lighting, it looks a bit metallic. Why not add a second coat of this top coat? What a nice looking top coat we've created. And because it looks really pretty on black, well, it does look so pretty in all of the shades we've tested, but I'm gonna be swatching it on my nails with black base. And here we have it, the mixture of all OMG Northern Lights. And I didn't expect that it'll turn out into a holographic topper. Did you guys expect that to happen? And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe! Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!